to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how we can fix if your application of Roblox is not functional. It's not functional if it's don't fix. So the only thing you need to do to fix that, and two solutions, two potentials solutions. The first is you go to settings and you pick here in app management, and you need to find in your app list the application of Roblox, and you need to pick here in that button of storage and cache. After that, you need to go here in the down right corner where it said clear cache. You need to delete the cache information of this app, and you restart the app, and maybe your problem is fixed. But if this is not the case, you need to go to the application and you need to uninstall the application and install again for a fix the problem. So this is two solutions for that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow some more content like this.